cold and desperate, hungry and alone. The heat is off and no one's home. There's no food in the cupboard, no socks or shoes for my feet. But there's guns and drugs and homeless, sexual, deviant predators trolling my street. Only 8 years old when I learned sometimes even the good guys are bad, and if you get caught talking to the wrong crooked cop, you'll end up a corpse stuffed in a bag, dumped in the Mississippi or left in the alley, another casualty of society, a nameless, faceless nobody, another cold case to be forgotten. Fatherless children and prostitute mothers, no heroes are coming to save. There's a way that seems right unto a man, but in the end his footsteps lead him to his grave.